everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Krishna Soni, and we are going to live around 6. And yes, let's back. Everything is happening till now. थोड़ा माहौल बन रहा है अभी. I can listen to some songs and everything. There was a lot I've been thinking lately, and thing doesn't always go the way you think, right? So you have to just be positive and keep going. So yes, that's what I'm doing right now. And as of now, we have a trend to celebrate, so we'll just celebrate. I mean, ऐसे मतलब whatever happens just happens. I'm just going with the flow because I don't know what to do. I also have some of things to do, so I will do that after coming from. So yes guys, we are here and I'm packing my bags. So I'm taking essentials first. So we are taking sunscreen, then this lip and cheek tint, and yes, clothes. For girls, clothes are important. I mean, for everyone, but there is always a problem with girls that they don't have enough clothes, right? But this time that's not the problem. We have clothes here. No, not this. This is my brother's. I don't know what it is doing here. So if he left this here, then what he must have taken. Another thing is, if he left his jacket here, then did he already bring another one, or he left it here also? This I have to take it because both of them are already there. They're enjoying some flower shows and something without me. Yes. So yes, that's the thing. So I have to ask him if I have to bring that one for him or not. So yes, first of all I'll put all of this. So yes, sunscreen and this, and also one more thing, lip balm is important. So we'll also take that, and then some skincare products. I also have to take my glasses. Yes, this one. What else do I have to take? So yes, this year, last year I was here only for a tran, and this year it was not decided where I'm going to be. But now, no, last year I wasn't here. I was in Ahmedabad, right? Yes, I wasn't here. Right. Yes, last year I was in Ahmedabad. So Ahmedabad में ना ऐसे गलियाँ होती है, पोड़ होती है, we call it पोड़. तो वहाँ पर अहमदाबाद की उत्तरायण इज़ बेस्ट. ओके, वहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीज़, आई मीन, सो अहमदाबाद की उत्तरायण इज़ बेस्ट. एंड लास्ट ईयर तो मैंने पोड़ में गई थी. लाइक वन ऑफ माई कजिन इज़ देयर. लास्ट ईयर मैं वहाँ पर थी, और इस बार भी मैं जा रही हूँ अहमदाबाद, बट नॉट देयर, समवेयर एल्स आई एम गोइंग. एंड यस, वहाँ पर सब लोग रेंट पर भी लेता है टेरिस, एंड दे जस्ट टू एंजॉय द उत्तरायण, बिकॉज the Uttarayan in Ahmedabad is best. Like every festival is best, and every place has its own different things and different speciality. But yes, और ऐसा मैंने कुछ सोचा नहीं था इस बार. It was not decided, but then decided to go there, so we are going. And yes, that's what we have. So I'm packing my bags for that. And we have to go. So let's pack because I have to leave, and it's full moon today. Guys, it's full moon. Tomorrow is Makar Sankranti, which means Uttarayan. And yes, it's first full moon of this year, like according to this January, I like. And according to Hindu culture, though it's not like that, it's Poonam, like called. So yes, let's pack. My clothes are ready. I just have to pack them. And yes, I don't know what I'm doing actually. There was a lot that, and yeah, that is it. यहाँ पर भी उदाहरण इस साल अच्छा होगा because everyone around have came from, like, so they will enjoy. But we are going there. So yes, but sometimes it's like whole empty because around the area where I live, everyone is in abroad, so nobody of like my age or young is there, so nobody enjoys that much because nobody's celebrating that way. But this year everyone has came and they are going to celebrate it. So from the morning they are going to play DJs and everything and enjoy full on. So but we are going Ahmedabad, so we'll enjoy there only because I also have cousin there and my family we are going there. So yes, that's what we have planned. And yes, let's pack the bags, okay? And then we'll see what is left because otherwise I'll forget everything. And yes. Yes, I think I'm done. And maybe I have to take some of things, then I'll pack. I think almost everything is done. See guys, I have to show you all one thing. This is rose water that my mom made at home. So there was a flowers. Uh, so my mom just boiled it in a water. I mean, there are many YouTube videos. You all can learn it from there also. And if you want from me, I'll maybe comment below. I'll make again. So we have stored it in a big bottle, and I use it. I just spray it on my face. So it's a rose water, natural rose water. So I haven't bought it from anywhere. It's a natural. So as you all can see, it's pink in color. When you buy from somewhere market, it's not actually pink sometimes. So see, this is my mehndi also, but this is also. So yes, so that's what I was telling. So rose water is really good for, you can use it as a toner or sometimes to just clean your face or anything. And it's also natural, like it is homemade, so it's super natural, right? We'll chase the sunset from the car. I don't even know like when am I leaving because फिर हमें ट्रैफिक भी मिलेगा अच्छा खासा. So the thing is that last year I made a video of get ready. I think first time that was get ready with me I made, and that was also not last year. Oh yes, it was last year that I made. See, this is my memory there. Okay, yes, so there was a last year, like it's been 2 years, right? So I made a video of get ready with me for the first time. That was on Uttarayan. Yes, and short term memory loss है मुझे, भूल ही जाती हूँ मैं सब कुछ. एक्सपेक्ट सम थिंग्स, नो सब कुछ नहीं भूलती, कई चीज़ें मुझे बहुत याद रहती. यस गाइस, हम जा रहे हैं रात को ही 7-8 बजे निकलेंगे, रात को लेट वहाँ पर पहुँचेंगे और तो क्या ही है. सो टिल टू दैट इट्स 5, सो आई विल डू समथिंग प्रोडक्टिव क्योंकि तब तक हम टाइम तब तक हम टाइम तो वेस्ट नहीं कर सकते. तो यस, एंड आज फुल मून भी है तो हाँ वो मैं देख पाऊँगी और उससे पहले सनसेट हो. ओके, सो आई कैन सी सनलाइट देयर, सो इट्स ओके. अभी देर है सनसेट में, हो जाएगा तो हम जाएंगे ऊपर. यस, आज do you guys know the what Makar Sankranti means, which means when sun enters into the Makar meat is called Makar Sankranti. So that's the real name of like Uttarayan, right? Or I think there is some festival also in Marathi people also. I think New Year or something. Little bit that I know. If any Marathi people there, comment below. So yes, after like ऐसा लग रहा है मैं कितने वक्त बाद कुछ फाइनली करने के लिए बैठी हूँ क्योंकि यार इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, व्हाट टू डू. ऐसा लग रहा है कि आज मैं मन बनाकर बैठी हूँ, रोज़ बैठती हूँ, लेकिन ऐसे लाइक कुछ हो जाता है जो आपने सोचा नहीं होता, एंड that becomes a little tough. You project yourself as a positive person, or as a you give good response to everyone, you answer nicely everyone, and you project yourself, but only you know what you are going through from inside. And at that time it's like you're holding on that emotions and everything, so it gets tough sometimes, but it's okay, it happens, and we'll keep going. And done taking all the shots of like power laps of sunset, and let me show you. Look at the moon. Capture it in my camera. It's so beautiful. I'll take pictures and I'll put all of them here so you all can see. I mean, it's so beautiful that I कुछ नहीं गाइस, आधे आधे चोट लगा ली पैर में मैंने अपने. जो दर्द हो रहा है मुझे. Feeling बेटर गाइस. हमारी चोट लगी हुई ठीक है, नहीं हुआ कुछ ज़्यादा, हम चल पा रहे हैं. यही अच्छा है. कोई नहीं, 4-5 दिन थोड़ा सा पेन हो, वो तो मेरे साथ होते ही रहता है, उसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. अब याद तो फिर मैं फुल मून के वक्त में हो गया है, लेकिन अच्छे से रात को तो वो दिखाने के लिए जाऊँगी, तब मिलूँगी, या फिर जब हम निकलेंगे यहाँ से तब. ठीक है, उसके बाद कल मॉर्निंग होगी उत्तरायण की. Guys, good morning, like it's morning, and we are at Himanshi's place, and yes, but I'm alone, she's not here, so I'm missing a little bit because yes, that is what. And I'm almost ready, and it's around 11:45 क्योंकि मैं अभी तक गई नहीं ऊपर, तो अब हम जाएंगे and I'll show you. I think some other guest has arrived here also, and yes, that's what we have. कृष्णा क्या गई, ओके तुम्हारे भाई. I think I should go now. And yes, हम लोग आ गए ऊपर. यहाँ पर म्यूज़िक सिस्टम का जुगाड़ करते हुए, क्योंकि विदाउट म्यूज़िक ना मज़ा नहीं आता. तो चलिए चलते हैं. Just after lunch, I'm here. So I had a undiyu puri jalebi. This is what good juice have on the day of Uttarayan. So that now at home here there is one person who is colleague of my relative, and he's here to experience the Diwali. To experience Uttarayan, because he lives, I think, in a village area. So he was telling that some children and kids used to just fly the kites and everything. So that's why he was wanted to experience. So he just came. So he doesn't know anything about it, and he was very surprised by knowing that how people here are enjoying this day the way, and he's also just experiencing everything. And then he also told that, oh, so everyone is businessmen, so it doesn't affect them even financially. So we were like, yes. And at that time I realized how it differs from the different people, right? And recently I was also in Delhi, where I met different people, and they were like, Gujarati people are mostly like who enjoys everything and always like welcoming and everything. And when I was there, I also realized that the other people and some in other community or everything, they are sometimes little more straightforward. Like for me, I'm not like that. I'm also a little straightforward. But when I see the generally about like in families and everything, they find it little rude when person comes to them and talks. Famous for its food as well. So I went there. Everyone was selling chole bhature, chaat, and momos and everything. I tried everything, and I enjoyed it also. Yes. So this is what I'm experiencing day by day. Oh my god. Okay. Yes. So yes, and I mean people are sometimes really strange because we are living here. We don't realize these things, that how fortunate we are for the things and for the things we have, the gratitude we should have for that. But when you experience it from the people, and when they come to you and tell you, then they are like, okay. And even they find it little difficult, I mean they find it little like that how are they find it little strange also how are they are very welcoming and everything, because we also told them that when even you are visiting anyone's house, anyone of your colleague or friend, they will offer you everything like kites and food and everything, and it is normal. And he was like a little strange and surprised, and he's like, how can they can even sometime afford it, and even if they can, how are they so sweet? So yes, when they come here they feel welcoming, and that's the I think Gujaratis are like this. They are welcoming and they are more loving, and they are more about relationship than about anything other things. So yes, that's what. So I think if any, it's okay. Like if you have anyone friend around you who is with you and everything, feel free to them, because they are always this kind. And but the other thing is also they find it rude also, because sometimes they feel that some other people are really straightforward. Nothing. Now it's noon, so we are just sitting here in sunlight, and then इवनिंग में अच्छा मज़ा आएगा. अभी भी यहाँ पर सब लोग पतंग तो उड़ा ही रहे हैं, हम भी कुछ, बट मैं तो नहीं करती ये सब कुछ ज़्यादा. मैं यहाँ पर आई हूँ, बैठी हूँ. आई थिंक आई नीड म्यूज़िक एक्चुअली. म्यूज़िक का एक्सप्लोर किया तो था, पर हुआ ही नहीं एक्चुअली. कुछ नहीं, हम बैठे हैं ऐसे. देखिए, हम उनसे पतंग ले लेंगे, उनको पैसे देंगे. बिजनेस. थैंक यू.
Video that. ব্যাংকে দরকার ছিল এখানে।
पकड़ने पकड़ने पकड़
Corona Cup to be on the mark.
বলবো পাড়া
નીચે બેઠી ભાઈ બીજા વિડિયો ઉતાર એવો નહીં હસતો ઉતાર ભાઈનો
Everybody is enjoying, and so am I. Look at that. Everyone is on terrace.
જો આગળ ચાલુ છે વિડિયો દીદા દોરી ના હાલ પતી ગઈ ના હાલ અલગ ગાંઠ હોય છે છેલ્લે જા દે પતંગ નહીં આવતી હોય ને દોરી નહીં